Good morning, Amanda. Yes, we will continue to see that cloud coverage throughout our region as we are still seeing some low pressure hanging around through the majority of today. Could see some flurries up in northern parts of New Brunswick throughout the course of this morning, as well as some spotty showers covering pretty much into Prince Edward Island and Cape Breton, as well as parts of Nova Scotia for today. As we take a look here at what our forecast is like, well, we are seeing slightly above seasonal temperatures with a high of 7 in Fredericton, as well as in Halifax, and a high of 6 in Charlottetown. There's a little bit of that sunshine popping through, and we'll see some of that throughout Newfoundland throughout the course of this morning. We could see some scattered showers coming through. However, because we do have some low pressure still hanging around as we head throughout this Monday, November 25th. So as we take a look here at current temperatures, we're seeing slightly above seasonal temperatures to start our day, and we're going to continue to see that as we head throughout this Monday. So that is good news as we head throughout the day, though we will see, again, like I said, a little bit of wet weather coming through. We do have some fog to contend with, especially along the coastal cities, so something to take into consideration as you head out through the day. Like I said, we still are contending with some low pressure, so we could see some scattered flurries throughout parts of New Brunswick and even into central parts of Nova Scotia for this morning. We're going to continue to see that rain sticking around. Now, that low pressure is going to be hanging around throughout the course of today and into the early hours of Tuesday morning before it should start to dissipate, and we should see some clearer skies coming through. But again, a little bit of that mixed precipitation because of the cooler weather that we are seeing as we head throughout our day. Now, we could see not a whole lot of accumulated rain as we head throughout. The majority of it going to be hanging around in parts of Newfoundland, but for the most part, just trace amounts and up to 5 millimeters of rain. As for our snow outlook, luckily, there's only trace amounts. So we are going to continue to see some of those flurries coming through, but mostly it is going to just be coming and going as we head throughout our day. We are going to contend with some gusting winds that are going to change direction throughout the course of today. Right now, we're seeing the majority of those gusts in the western portion of Nova Scotia as well as into New Brunswick. But for today, though, we are seeing average highs up in northern parts of New Brunswick and slightly above average throughout the rest of the province. Could see some scattered showers and flurries, especially up in the northern parts of the province. Heading over on to Prince Edward Island, again, slightly above seasonal temperatures with those showers coming through, about 5 millimeters of rain as we head throughout the day today. Over on Cape Breton Island and into eastern parts of Nova Scotia, again, those showers continuing with those winds gusting westerly up to 50 kilometers per hour, and we're going to continue to see some of those showers. Could see some flurries through central parts of Nova Scotia and into Labrador, cloudy with a chance of flurries, some rain over in Nain, and then we're going to continue to see those showers hanging around throughout parts of Newfoundland today while that low pressure sticks around.